Okay, so let's do the second one, assignment 2 of the CSWA on week 11. Okay, so if we start off correct plane this time, so on the right plane, and zoom into it, and again, just try and kind of keep a bit of proportion to it, so it's about 50, about 10, kind of keeping it roughly to the right sizes. And then you can kind of just sort of fly on then, and hopefully you'll get the correct sizes. That's a rough idea of it. Pop in a few dimensions then. So it's 25, 40, 25 again, 37, overall there is 100, and that's 10, and that's 60. Then it's 200, and it's going to be 50, and then just do a collinear on these two, and exit the sketch then, and extrude it. It's 100. Let's check that. Yep. So extruded 100. Okay, so we have to draw a little feature at a slightly offset angle, so we're going to need a bit of reference geometry, a new plane, so selecting this face and that edge, and 30 degrees, and we just flip the angle on that to get the right angle on that. And I can do a sketch then, just go normal 2 on this. And again, keep it roughly in proportion. Oops. Again, so what's that, 50? And the distance from there to there, then is going to be 30, isn't it? And exit the sketch, and extrude boss base. And we have to go up to next on this, but you see the direction is kind of flipping in. I don't get up to next, so I need to just flip to next, because there is no next coming in that direction. Now I get up to next, and click OK. And I can get rid of that, I don't need that anymore. Okay, so what's next? So, do a sketch on that surface there. We do this little arc, so it's a little 3-point arc, somewhere there, and approximately there. And convert entities on these, because we need these little edges as well. And we trim on that. Now we can pop in the dimensions. So this is a radius of 50, and it's 45 from there to there, and it's fully defined. And I can exit the sketch and extrude cut then, and we can go up to next, or we can go up the surface. Okay, so that's my next thing. I think sketch on this face, yeah. So sketch on that face, just go normal 2, and pop in the little circle, wake up that center, and pop in a little circle that's 25 diameter. And this time I'll just pop in a couple of little center lines, latching onto the quadrants there of that arc. And then if I choose offset entities and make it bidirectional, and if I do 5 and yep, so select that, and cap ends and do straight lines, I can get that sort of rectangle going on there that's symmetric with the whole thing. So click OK on that and do the same then, offset entities, select that, bidirectional, cap ends with just straight lines as opposed to arcs. Click OK, and then we can zoom in and do a load of trimming. Didn't mean to trim that line, but oops. Trim again. See, I trimmed that line too much there now, so I'm going to have to go in and fix this. You see, that's kind of gone away from there, so I just have to fix that again. Grab that and pull it away and bring it again, because I trimmed off that little center line there. Shouldn't have done that. So that's the little cross done. And I can exit the stretch, sketch and extrude cut a distance of, go find out what this is, I think it's 5 mil. Yep, 5 mil deep. So 5 mil, and that's that. Then do a sketch on that surface, and circle, pick up that again. So the circle on this, which is a diameter of 15. And this one's extruded cut through all. Isometric. And that's that. So next one then is over here. So I need another plane, so I need reference geometry of that face and that edge. And I think this is an angle of 20 degrees. Again, I'll flip the direction and click OK and do sketch on that surface. And the shape. And it's a 25 rad. Fix that before I went too small there. See, that's one, fix that 15. And I suppose that is 40. And I can exit that sketch again. Just hide that plane, I don't need that anymore. And I'm going to just do an extrude then on that. Flip the direction and again up to next. Okie doke. And then I should have, what's next? 25 mil boss on this surface. So normal, draw a circle. And 25 diameter. And it's just an extrude, blind extrude 15. And then there's a hole cut through all in this. And it's a diameter of 12. Extrude cut through all. And that's, I think that. Just need to change the material then. And it's 6061 alloy. So let's go find that. So edit material. So 6-1 alloy, there it is. Apply and close. And then get the power properties on that. 2040.57 is the mass.